everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you my entire grocery haul. I went to Trader Joe's and my local grocery store, Stop and Shop, to load up for the semester. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe. I am a second-year grad student studying to get my master's in speech-language pathology. So with all the clients coming in and classes starting for the fall, I needed to stock up and start meal prepping so that I can be prepared for the semester. So I did a full haul and it was, I did some damage definitely, but I'm going to show you everything that I got. Caught in an action, I can't rewind, and in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel this way. Okay, so this side is all Trader Joe's. This side is all Stop and Shop, so I broke it up so you could see the difference if you wanted to buy any of the things. Start with the Trader Joe's side. I could live off of Trader Joe's frozen section. I love all their food. It's so, I don't know, it just makes you feel better because there's less stuff in it. I try to go the healthier route when I can. For those of you who don't know, I am dairy-free. I can't have lactose either. I've tried all the lactose-free products. So I'm going to show you some of what I get that's dairy-free as well. Every once in a while I indulge, but for the most part I try to stick to my non-dairy products. Alright, I don't even know where to start. There's so much. Okay, we'll start in the back here and I'll remove it as we go so we can get through everything. One of the top 2 reasons I go to Trader Joe's is for these tandoori naans. They have both garlic and original flavor, but they are so amazing. I like to have them as a late night snack where it's like not too acidic because I get heartburn too. So having these late at night doesn't hurt my stomach. Or I like to have them in the morning for breakfast with some butter and cinnamon sugar. Part of the reason I got so much is because I was kind of stocking up because Trader Joe's and Stop and Shop finally had what I was looking for. So I bought 4 packets of these because I go through them pretty quickly. Here's all 4. Up here, I'm gonna jump ahead. This is the second top most reason I go to Trader Joe's, is the acai packets. I use these to make my own acai bowls. They're really expensive, so making them yourself is much more affordable, and I honestly think they taste better because I can put whatever I want in them. I made a video of how I make acai bowls, but I can link down below, but this is where I get the acai, the Trader Joe's organic acai puree packets. So good. So I got 4 of these as well. I'm gonna try and get through the frozen things first just so I can put them back in the freezer. Moving on, I got some broccoli, just some broccoli florets, and I got some of this cauliflower stir fry. I am not like gluten-free or anything like that, but I just like this cauliflower stir fry. I add it with some teriyaki sauce and zhuzh it up a little bit and put a fried egg on top. So good. Okay, these are just some little like dumpling things. They're chicken and mushroom, and they also have onion and dill in it, so if you like dill, these are amazing. They're just such an easy dinner to have, or even lunch. Just put some butter and salt or whatever sauce you want, and they're really filling too, and I put it with some veggies. These are just vegetable spring rolls. I love vegetable spring rolls. I don't really like the ones with meat in it. I got some Belgian waffles. I saw these and I was worried they would have dairy in it, but it only says it has traces of milk and coconut in it, so I think I'll be fine just because if there's a little bit, I usually don't have a bad reaction, but I thought I would take a chance. Can't say no to Belgian waffles. Okay, up here, I figured I'd try this. I haven't had this before, but it's the vegetable pad thai, and it has tofu in it. I don't know if you guys like tofu. I like it just because I don't eat red meat, so I like to have other options. I only really eat chicken, turkey, tofu, and salmon, so I wanted to try this, so hopefully it's good. But I haven't ever had anything from Trader Joe's frozen section that I don't like, but I like having these meals just on hand in case I'm babysitting or have to grab something really quick. Okay, these are also vegetable dumplings. I love dumplings, can you tell? And these are an easy, quick snack too that I really like to have with me. Okay, these are new too. I kind of like went out of my comfort zone a little bit today. So I got some kale gnocchi. I don't know how you guys say that, but that's how I say it. I have had their other gnocchi. They have one that's like air sealed and it lasts for a long time. You boil it in 3 minutes, but I love that you can make a meal in 3 minutes. So this was the kale one. I'm pretty excited to try it because I like the taste of kale, but I don't like the texture, so having it in something else is really awesome. All right, moving on. So these I did indulge. These do have cheese in it. They're spinach tortellini. They're tortellini stuffed with spinach and ricotta, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. So if you're dairy-free, don't buy these, but I wanted to get them just because my boyfriend does like these too, so it's an easy meal for both of us. And last time I messed up and I stored them, I just like threw them in the pantry, and obviously they went bad because they have cheese in it and you need to put it in the fridge. So I haven't actually gotten to try them, but can't go wrong with tortellini either. Okay, these I have tried. The sriracha shrimp bowls are amazing. The shrimp is raw, so when you cook it, it cooks really quickly, because I was worried that it was pre-cooked, because then when you cook it, it gets overcooked, you know. But these are super easy meal for if I have a meeting or something to go to. I mean, not really going anywhere because I'm working remote completely, like for school and clients and stuff. I'm doing telehealth, but still a quick easy meal between clients. So I got 2 of those. Okay, then I got some peppers. I love to have peppers with hummus. I got this garlic spread hummus, the Trader Joe's kind. So peppers and hummus is my go-to. I also got up here, oh, these are from Trader Joe's, but I got just a plain pepper that I can cut up into slices to dip in here, but it is such a good snack. It's just like so refreshing. But yeah, I have the pepper, and I got some peaches. I got 3 peaches. I want to make crepes this weekend, so I'm gonna make like peach, banana, strawberry crepes. So good, my grandmother's recipe. And then I got a red onion because I like to make salads and put that in salad. I got some blueberries because I bought some blueberry muffins over here, so I love to eat them, just eat them, but I also like to put fresh blueberries in blueberry muffins, so I got some of those. This is new, I haven't tried this. Mango jicama slaw with lime mango vinaigrette. It sounded really good. I've tried their Mexican corn slaw salad or something. That one's really good too, but I wanted to branch out and try this one. I like having a slaw base for a salad and then zhuzhing it up with some cucumbers and tomatoes and red onion that I got, so I'm excited to try that. Alright, the last thing I got from Trader Joe's was just some tofu. I like to have like tofu stir fry. Okay, moving on to the Stop and Shop side of things. I'm working our way through. So at Stop and Shop, I love this pastaroni. It cooks super fast, like maybe 7 minutes, and you just throw everything in because the noodles are really thin. I love angel hair. So this one's angel hair pasta with herbs, and it does have like a little bit of a creamy base, but I use almond milk with it instead. So yeah, I boil water and almond milk with it, and it doesn't give me too bad of a reaction. If you're more sensitive to it, then don't buy this. Okay, these are my all-time favorite protein bars. I'm almost hesitant to tell you guys about them because they keep running out of them at all my stores. So I've been stocking up on these because they were out for so long, but they're the chocolate mint ones. They're Cliff Kids, but whatever. They are gluten-free if you're gluten-free as well. And they have traces of dairy in it, but it doesn't hurt I don't have a reaction to it, so I've been still indulging in these. Up here, I needed to restock on some sauces. So I got ponzu sauce, which I haven't had before. I haven't had the citrus seasoned dressing and sauce lime. So I'm excited to try that. And then I got some more soy sauce for all those dumplings I got. I usually mix like soy sauce with the sriracha or chili oil. Super good, but I am excited to try it with some ponzu sauce. Gravy. Gravy is another one of my go-tos, being dairy-free, because I ate so much marinara sauce in college and undergrad because I can't have Alfredo. So my next go-to is gravy. Having it with like rice and turkey meatballs is so good. So that's an easy one for being dairy-free. The other sauce I got is this low sodium teriyaki sauce. I really like this one. It's the organic Asian infusion, but I always try to go for the low sodium option if I can. Same thing with the soy sauce. Okay, moving down the line, I got some of these Ben's rice. The basmati kind is my favorite. Again, my store, like around here, my stores keep running out of things still. So my Trader Joe's, Stop and Shop, Walmart, everything is still kind of hard to keep up with in terms of restocking from the virus. So I try to kind of bulk up a little bit because when they have it in stock, it's very rare. All of these things, honestly, which is why I kind of went overboard. And the ingredients are so simple, and they actually have a good amount of iron in them, which, because I don't eat red meat, I try to supplement, get as much iron as I can. So I got 3 of those. Here's the blueberry muffin mix that I was talking about. It doesn't have any dairy in it, just wheat, obviously, but these are really, they come with like canned blueberries, but those are not as good, so I put just the fresh blueberries in them so I can have an easy breakfast. All right, chicken stock. I make a lot of soup. The one thing actually that's missing from this haul is I got a rotisserie chicken. I already made a chicken lemon orzo soup. It was so good, but I love making soup, especially in the fall, but I'll eat it year round. So I always try to keep chicken stock on hand. Again, the 40% less sodium one. I actually have a video where I made a matzo ball soup. Oh, so good. I'll link that down below if I can find it too. Okay, and then I got some cucumbers with this salad. Again, I like the slaw mix. This one's actually not slaw. This one's romaine lettuce, which is also my go-to. Actually growing some in my garden. But this one's the dole kind. This one has feta cheese in it, but I don't eat this feta. I actually get this dairy-free feta that is so good from Wegmans. Instead, it's not exactly feta, but it's really good. I'll put a picture in here somewhere if I can find it. Got some Persian cucumbers. Oh, these are actually from Trader Joe's, sorry. But whatever, cucumbers. And then I got some ground turkey. I got 99% lean, 1% fat. I can't really taste the difference in them personally, so I just get the 99% lean. And then I just got some all natural fresh chicken breasts. I get my meat at Stop & Shop just because I like the Nature's Promise brand. So that's why I wait until I go to Stop & Shop to get those. But I have some meat already in the freezer, so I didn't need to get too much. Creamer. I don't like silk milk. I like this Almond Breeze original milk, not sweetened or unsweetened, just original. But for creamer and for yogurt, I like the silk options, the almond milk one. I was looking for the pumpkin spice one because I'm not really ready to accept that it's fall yet, but I'm okay with having the pumpkin spice coffee. So whatever, I got the vanilla one because I was running out, and then some more almond milk. Fun fact, for some reason I can't have coconut cream or coconut milk. For some reason I have a reaction to it, just like dairy, like cow's milk. So I have to make sure that it's completely almond milk based and not, there's like some that are half coconut cream, half almond milk. So I have to make sure that they're just almond milk. One other thing that I did get at Stop & Shop was ice cream. How can you go to the store and not get ice cream? But I wanted to pull it out. I didn't want to leave it in the layout so it didn't melt. But my favorite right now is the fudge brownie, non-dairy frozen from Ben & Jerry's. And this one is also made with almond milk. Same thing, I can't have the ice creams that have coconut cream bases, which is a lot of the dairy-free ones. So I really like that they finally came out with an almond milk-based one. So good, and you can't even taste that it's dairy-free, honestly. So if you have to share it with your significant other, this one's so good. Okay, little tangent, but I actually went to Staples because my Staples is next to my Trader Joe's, and I needed a new water bottle, and so I thought this one was super cute. I really like this lavender color, and there's actually a little dog on it. I didn't know, but still cute. But I like water bottles that have a cover to them so that like the mouthpiece is covered. And I like these kind of straws, but I don't like when the actual straw is exposed and like you're touching it to open it. So I really like that this one opens without me touching the actual mouthpiece and has a cover over it. And while I was there, they were having a discount on K-Cups, and I have my espresso machine here, but I also have a Keurig, and I needed more. And so they had a discount 15% off at Staples, of all places. So I grabbed some of these. This is a 24 pack. It was like $12.90 or something, which is, if you buy K-Cups, that is a steal. Okay, last few things. These are the Steez, I don't know how you say that, lightly sweetened ice cream tea, the peach kind. These are so good too, but I love these. They have a little bit of caffeine in them, just like enough to push me through my evening classes because all my grad school classes are at night. So having a long day and then sitting through a 3-hour class is like, you need a little caffeine for. So I got 5 of these. Oh, this is the yogurt I get, the dairy-free yogurt I get. Again, I like the vanilla silk kind. It's the one that tastes closest to regular yogurt. So the other ones, like the Almond Breeze one I found is a little bit watery. So this one is the closest to yogurt that I've found. So, and they have different flavors, but I like the vanilla kind, and I throw some of those blueberries I got in them. So the last thing's over here. So I got some little bites because can't go wrong with those. Quick, easy snack. I got a can of tuna. I already had one, but I wanted to get one more. This is the dairy-free mac and cheese I get. Oh, mac and cheese is the one thing that I really miss, and that pains me not to have, being dairy-free. And this is not like amazing, but it's pretty close, and it curves that like want for mac and cheese. This one I haven't had before, the cheddar style. I usually get the white cheese kind, like the white cheddar kind. sometimes with veggies, but they were out of it, so I settled for this one. It's not like a powder, but it's more Velveeta cheese style. Okay, and I got some peaches from Stop and Shop. I like to put these in my acai bowls. And then I just got some bow tie pasta, farfel. I don't know how you say that. They're bow ties. But I just got some of those for an easy dinner. And then I got some of these. I don't know what they're called. They're like corn-based chips, but they're so good. I got the kettle corn kind. These ones I actually found out I liked from going on like airplanes, and they would have those little baggies of them. I picked up some corn. I opened it to make the lemon chicken orzo soup. And last but not least, I got some mandarin oranges and pears. Okay, so that was everything that I bought. I hope that you guys found some ideas. I love watching these hauls just to get new ideas of what people get at Trader Joe's or Stop and Shop, and kind of branch out from what I usually get, especially if you're also dairy-free. These are all mostly, other than the tortellini, dairy-free meals. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!